Hey everyone, welcome to the Servv YouTube channel. In this video, I shall guide you through the steps of creating a virtual appointment using the Servv app. The difference between a virtual appointment and a virtual event is that the virtual appointments are always one-on-one interactions. You can designate different time slots and your customer can then choose one of the time slots to have an appointment with you. To create an appointment, you need to be first on the Servv dashboard. To go to the Servv dashboard, you can go on your Shopify home screen, select apps and then select the Servv app. This takes you to the Servv dashboard. The first screen is the virtual events screen, not the virtual appointments. You can see virtual events here. Click on the arrow on the right and a drop down list shall open. Click on virtual appointments. This is a list of all the appointments that you have created. Again, if you haven't created any, this will be empty. We are using a demo store and hence this is full with some of our appointments that we have previously created. Creating an appointment is very similar to creating an event. You go on create new in the top right and from the drop down list you select virtual appointment. This opens the create appointment pop-up, which is very similar to the create event pop-up. Let's give our appointment a title. Let's call it a tutorial appointment. Once the title is done, you can set a price, you can set the time zone and you can schedule it whenever you see fit. Let's schedule it at 27th of June 3 p.m. This specifies the starting point of your appointment, the total duration in minutes. This mentions the total time that you are available for the appointments. This will also help figure out the final time, the end time of all the appointments. The final slot will end after, let's say 60 minutes after this, after 3 p.m. for this specific appointment. Let's turn it to 300. Unfortunately, we can't put it in hours right now, it's only minutes. So 300 minutes is 5 hours. Slot duration, it mentions the duration of each appointment slot. This is what creates the time slots that your customers can go and select. If you keep it at 15 minutes per slot, then for 5 hours, there will be a total of 20 different time slots created. If you turn it to 30, there will be 10. Or if you create to 60, then there will be 5. You can create slots from 15 minutes ranging all the way to 180 minutes, even 240 minutes, 480 minutes in fact, depending on how long the duration of your total duration of the appointment is. You can write a description and the guest list. This time there isn't any option to add guests beforehand. The rest of the features are completely similar to the event creation widget. You can change the event settings, which will affect on Zoom, and you can also decide whether you want to create a recurring event or not. Let's not create a recurring event this time. Once all that has been done, all you need to do is click on submit. Let's turn this to 30-minute slot and click submit. Doing this will create the appointment. You'll get the message that will say the meeting has been created successfully, and as you can see here on the 27th of June, there is a tutorial appointment created. You can once again go on edit and change the stuff about the appointment that is possible. You can change the duration, the title, the price, etc. Right here you can also see the time slots that are still available and haven't been selected by any of your customers. Thank you. This will be the end of today's video. I hope you understand the steps. Please go and check the Servv app out, and if you have any more queries you can contact us on help.servv.ai. Thank you.